Give an example for stimulant. Cannabinoids. Now cannabinoids which come under what group of the chemicals? Hallucinogen. Hallucinogens? Yes. Now these are obtained. The point number one is these are obtained from, look at this word, cannabinoids. Okay, the name, the scientific name is like this. Read this. Cannabis sativum. Sativum. You would have studied in genetics chapter like Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum. Garden pea. Okay, the same way. Cannabis sativum. Easy it is, no? Cannabinoids. Cannabis. It is easy. Okay. So it is obtained from that. So this will be extracted from, from inflorescence. It is extracted from what? Inflorescence of the cannabis sativum. Okay. Inflorescence, that means we talk about, the arrangement of the whatever the petals and whatever you can call it up in the botany. We not only that, we will also take it from what? Leaves. We will also take it from, look at this, flower tops. Only the male flower we will take it, and only the female flower we will take it, and then we will prepare. Okay, so that is. So once again I repeat, only by taking male flower, only by taking female flower. By taking male flower, the name is different. We will get a different chemical compound. By taking female flower, we will get the different compound. But generally it is inflorescence will be taken. Are you getting? Okay. So leaves, the leaves looks like that. In your NCERT book, you can check out that the leaves will be like this. So just roughly you sketch out the leaves looks like that. What exactly these neat people they will do, they will draw like this, the leaf like picture, and they will ask, which is this? So like that also they will gonna ask you the question. That is why, so you have to focus that particular leaf, and then you have to observe that. So this is a cannabis sativum, the leaves, what we call it up. Okay. Then sometimes they also put a kind of a question that basically the cannabinoids, it looks like this. They will have the structure like this. How you are identifying it, So like this, when we identify it, you should see 3 ring-like structures. Are you getting the concept? You should see what? 3 ring-like structure. You make it as an int. Okay, I'm writing like this. Cannabinoids, can, and I will write it as something 3R means that is ring-like structures. Can 3R. You just keep that in memory. Can 3R. So you will have to link that word cannabinoids. Cannabinoids. Come on, repeat cannabinoids. Now, by this ring structure, you are identifying the cannabinoids. Okay. Actually, in the drugs chapter, there are 2 structures. There will be 2 structures. So one of the structure they will write it for morphine. Once again, I repeat, for the morphine structure. It's again a big hexagonal the structure, big coordination compounds like structure it is. You cannot just nobody will tell you to draw, write anything. No, only to identify. That is your job there, right here. If you know at least the structure of what? Cannabinoids, which is I think this is very easy. 3 ring structure. The ring, if you see, okay, yeah, this is the structure is cannabinoids. If other than this structure is given, then what is your answer? Morphine. No need to study. You have to understand the concept like this. You have to learn how to tackle the question. If the 3 ring structures is given, then your answer is. If other than this something else structure is given, morphine. That's the drugs chapter, from the drugs chapter. Are you getting now? Don't put unnecessarily, struggle that, oh, let me learn the structure of morphine. Don't take such kind of risk and all. If you take such kind of risk, it will kill 1 hour time for you. To draw, to identify, what? It's very difficult. Then later you'll, no, let's not study this. The mind will tell, okay, let's not study. So instead of that, just keep in memory, can 3R. Can means cannabinoids, 3 ring structure. Clear? Now this is a what exactly cannabinoids obtained from so and so, what we have to understand the kind of thing. Now what is exactly the cannabinoids once we have taken, if too much means, I mean to say, dosage is more. If the dosage is more, then it will affect our, you have to write like that. If the dosage is more, it will affect our cardiovascular system. Okay, if you take more dosage, you and all don't use, if, okay, right. Okay, so if it is taken more dosage, then it affects our cardiovascular system. Shall I erase? Okay, now already we have written the examples, correct? Already we have written an example. Now once again I am just writing the example of it. We have written like this, no? Ganja, right? You see in your table? Ganja, marijuana, okay, then bhang, right? Then I have written what? Hashish, right? Hashish, otherwise called as charas. This kind of examples you have to make a note of it. See, ganja is taken from the inflorescence, what I said. So they will gonna select they will take from female flower tops. Look at this. They prepare like this. They take from what? Female flower tops. Then marijuana will be taken from male flower tops. Look at that. From there they are taking and they are doing it. The bong will be taken from both in the sense male and female. See how I am writing, this. G stands for girl, M stands for male, B stands for both. Like that I am writing. Okay, just connecting the things. That's all. Okay. Hashish, it is exactly trihydro. It is called as trihydrocannabinol. That's a chemical name of hashish. Okay, so that is what the cannabinoids, what we are understanding the concept of it. And other than these, what we have is the kind of the things that we have to understand is, next to put the title, that is cocaine. Next we'll be studying about cocaine. Shall I erase this? Okay, whenever we write OL means what? Oil. Alcohol, correct. Cocaine, okay. So, cocaine come under? Stimulants, okay. One of the example also you write down, students. Novocaine, like that you write. Novocaine. So the cocaine, what does it do? We already know that the person will become well-being. He will be more happy, excited. These are all things. And once the cocaine, he will also dance like anything, once, yeah, you might have seen in the movies and all. So once they take, they will dance like anything, okay. They will, heroin, what I said? They will act like anything, okay. Acting, okay. So, and like some media, I don't know how much it is true or false. Some media, reports on some kind of news. When I see, Ranbir Kapoor will take what? Before acting, he will take what? Okay, not cocaine, drugs. Okay, then he will act like that. Somewhere the news, the kind of, because he is wonderful actor, correct? You all know that. I think Ranbir Kapoor, right? So there's somewhere, because he act, so well, right? So some of the news media, they will tell, okay, before acting, before going to the shooting spot, you will take one dosage, then they will act like that. The news, just I don't know whether true or false, I don't know. Just kidding, okay, just understanding how exactly this chapter also deals, okay. Well-being, joy and excited, the cocaine, okay. What does a cocaine will affect our body, It interferes, look at this word, it interferes dopamine. Interferes what? Dopamine. So please make a note of, underline this word. So interferes dopamine. So students here, very, very keenly that you have to observe certain things. If something is giving what? Joyness and excitement, it will make your whole body to dance. If something external factor is making, actually you are supposed to dance by yourself. Okay, by yourself you have to dance. Meaning what I mean to say is, suppose in that particular day you are so happy. Suppose you got the medical seat. That day you feel what? You feel very, joy because you have achieved something. Then you will dance, correct? Then there is, are you getting? So that is, you made, such a kind of joyness internally. But this is what? You are taking externally the drug and you are putting in, and then it will what? It will make you to dance. It is making you to dance. But if you take a drugs and then your body is dancing, meaning then there is what? Side effects. Reality is reality. Reality that I got medical seat, so I am dancing. That is reality. I didn't get anything, but I took what? Drugs and then dancing. That is not reality. Okay, in non-reality, you are taking and dancing, in the sense, definitely there will be what? Side effects. Are you getting the truth now? Suppose I go there, say I feel so very bored, I go down somewhere here, I will take, no. Don't. I was talking about the small sip of tea. Okay, I'm talking about. Okay, so you made me Ranbir Kapoor. Okay, so like that. No, it's not like that. So I go there, maybe boring or something like that. I took one sip of the tea stimulant. Now that is actually not needed for the body. The interest should come from internally only. Okay, I should teach to my students. That has to come. I should teach to Janvi, I should teach to Sania. Like that, the internally, no, I should teach Sriram. Like that, it has to come. Isn't it? That is called the internally that you will develop that kind of inspiration, correct influence. But okay, now I have a class. Let me go and have a sip of tea. That is bad. Understanding? But one or the that whatever the tea that I have taken, the dosage, that will affect my digestive system. Okay, nothing will happen. Okay, not like that. These kind of things. That is too much it is. No, nothing will happen, but it will affect my digestive system one other day. One other day, that means after 20 years, definitely it will affect my body. Clear? So, but these are all what? Immediate effect, because the dosage are like that, interface dopamine. Now, probably students, you would have studied what is dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter, correct? Shriram, neurotransmitter. What is exactly dopamine means? If it interferes with dopamine means, okay, you will always, you will think, negative thinking. Dopamine should not be interfered. Dopamine should be produced in our body, so that once the dopamine will produce, you will always will be with the positive thinking. The dopamine is a neurotransmitter, it will not allow the negative thinking in our body. Are you getting? Okay, yes. Once I saw, okay, I'm just closing the eyes. Once I close the eyes, so many information will come to my body. Today I should not go out of the room. Somebody will kidnap me. See, see how? See, that is negative feeling. But okay, the dopamine is not like that. If the dopamine is interfered, then you will get all sorts of negative feeling. Always, the people will be in what? Negative feeling. This happens. That's what I am stressing this particular. Please stress this point. This is where exactly the neat question will going to come. This is a neat question. Okay, so cocaine is obtained from where we extract. Okay, that is the point here. Erythroxylum cocoa. Okay, cocoa plants. Cocoa butter also you would have, that they will add for the chocolates and all. Okay, dairy milk. Okay, Erythroxylum cocoa. So this is the scientific name of the plant where we extract what is called as what we prepare? Cocaine. Now you tell, we have studied 3 different scientific names. Which one is difficult? Suppose for example, one of the first thing that I mentioned is Papaver somniferum, poppy plant. Okay, then Cannabis sativum, cannabinoids. Then this one is cocaine, Erythroxylum cocoa. Which one you have to study? First one is what? Poppy plant. Poppy plant is difficult. Cannabis, cannabinoids, that is easy. Cocaine. Easy. Then what do you want to study? Like this you can study, easy. See, poppy. Or you can say opium. See, opium, popium. See, like that you can just then what you have to write? Look there. Papaver somniferum. Okay, somewhere you have to connect. There's no other choice. You have to connect and you have to answer this. Poppy, opium, papaver somniferum. Clear? Now you do something. Do something. See, always I don't agree in doing so much of hard work. I agree in smart work. What I said was, I do not agree agreeing of so much of hard work. Hard work should be there, not so much. Underline that. I agree for smart work. Okay. So no need to study, right? Okay, fine. So obtained from what? Okay. So this common name you have to write. Look at that. Coke, crack. Salia, tomorrow you say, oh, you bring crack, like that, huh? Coke, crack is a common name of what? The cocaine. Right, so this about the cocaine, what we are understanding. Other than this, now what our next title, I am just putting the next title, that's called amphetamines. 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 Next, you write like this. So, amphetamines we wrote in which category? Stimulants. Again, they come in the stimulants only. Okay. These are called as a PEP pills. We call it this one. This can also be called as. Look at this word. Superman drugs. Wow. Once you take, we'll become Superman. Okay, they have not written Spider-Man, otherwise we would have become Spider-Man, right? So, what's it? We would have been on all the buildings, apartments like this. Huh? Correct, Superman drugs. See, once, Sania, once we take this amphetamine, we'll become, wow, you will feel like that. Superman drugs. Basically, these kind of drugs, they, these people they will take. Truck drivers. Why? Why? Huh? Stay away. What away? Awake. Very nice. To stay awake. Okay, that's correct. So that gives what? What? Alertness, concentration on the road. Otherwise, basically what happens, the truck drivers has to, basically night time only they prefer to drive. Okay, so that the timings and all they can adjust and they will fulfill it. So on the night, there should be alertness. Most of the truck drivers will prefer to take this. Got it? Okay. So that means, okay, if the truck driver has taken more dosage, what happens then? Dosage should be less only, then he will become alert on the road. He will not commit any kind of accidents on the road. If the dosage is more, then he will sleep and he will what? Die, not die, man. How can you say that? Okay, you always go to the climax story of. So you want him to be bring to the hospital. We have to bring to the hospital. You are the doctor. For the dead body, what you will do? Only thing is you can book the ambulance and you can send the dead body. It's no, think like this way. Okay, tomorrow you will become doctors means you should not think that way. Okay, fracture will be there, sir. Accident will occur so that he will come to my hospital only. So that I will treat. Correct? So like that, alertness. So too much dosage is there, he will commit the accident. He has taken to avoid the accident, no? Now? He will go and kick. Kick, okay. So like that is what we have to understand. Got it? So too much is always very, very dangerous kind of a thing. Basically what this amphetamines, it will be taken those who work in a night shift. Don't understand like that night shift means, okay sir, then policeman also will take. Don't understand like that, otherwise, who is your teacher? Come, who is your faculty? They will ask me then. Okay. Basically, night shift, probably the people, those who work, especially, this is the one you can just understand truck drivers, that is enough, okay, to understand. You cannot say that, yes sir, in my apartment that security guard also will take, then. You cannot, or the software engineers, they go for the night shift and all, they'll take all these things. Okay, basically what the software engineers they do, probably whenever they feel bored, they go and they will have little coffee or the tea. Basically tea is the one, they usually, you'll be awake. It makes awake, alertness, it will avoid the sleep. The tea is the one. Okay. So that's why, throughout night shift, 2 times, 3 times they will take what? Tea. Okay, so that is the thing. Yeah. Amphetamines are nothing but those are the synthetic, okay, what we call it up. Please write like this. Synthetic adrenaline, derived from adrenaline. What is adrenaline? What is adrenaline? Hormone. Which hormone? Yeah, someone is telling, but come on, be louder. Adrenaline. Which hormone? When we ask what? Scared. That is what you tell. No another name. When you scared, you will write in the exam. No, when you are scared, this is the hormone will be produced. This is called as adrenaline. Fine. What is that? Nobody will give you the marks. No. Then tell. See, that's why I think you are not supposed to go to home only then. So otherwise you'll forget everything. You are not recalling anything. Okay. So this is called as emergency hormone. What? Emergency hormone, triple F. Sania, what is triple F? No. Purva, what is triple F? No. Triple H, you know? Okay. You know triple H, huh? Yes. Oh, Wrestler. Triple F, you do not knowing. Look at the difference. Okay. So, what is triple F? Okay. Yeah. So that's about the amphetamines. They are derived from what? Synthetic what? Adrenaline. Derived from the adrenaline that we need to understand. They are called as a pep pills. They are called as Superman drugs. Superman drugs. Okay. So that's about amphetamines. So next you write. Tomorrow find out and come that triple F because I won't tell. Okay. Right. Next you have to write next. Hallucinogens. Hallucinogen means which will alter the thoughts, right? So that's why before that sometimes if you get a chance to time is there watch the movie Sanju. Okay. Okay, and then you see. Okay, how is exactly the things? Right. Hallucinogens. When we talk about hallucinogens, these are the examples. You have to say which alter what? Thoughts. You should also say psychedelic. Psychedelic, which is called as alter the thoughts, meaning psychedelic. Psychedelic. Okay. Hallucinogens. In that example, you write. These are the examples. Seeds of Datura plant. Seeds of Datura plant. So today assignment that you have to see the Datura plant or Datura flower. Okay. Yesterday I said you have to watch that Rajesh Talwar. You have not seen. Seeds of Datura. Datura plant flower you have to see. Okay. Seeds of Datura. Then you have to say that the leaves of Atropa. Please write Atropa. Example number 1, example number 2, like that. That is what I am writing. Seeds of Datura, leaves of Atropa. Then you write number 3, LSD. 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 These are all what? Hallucinogens. Okay. So now we'll go a little detail about LSD. LSD. LSD full form is LSD full form, this one. The chemical name is it's like it. Lysergic acid diethylamide. Diethylamide, LSD. Diethylamide, LSD we call it up. This is taken from the fungus. The fungus name is called Claviceps. The fungus name is called Claviceps. From that it is obtained. And this Claviceps will grow. This Claviceps, the fungus will grow It grows on rye plant, RYE, rye plant, and when it grows on that particular, the plant, it will produce a toxin. The toxin name is called ergot toxin. It will produce a toxin which is called as ergot toxin when it is growing on the rye plant. Okay, so almost we completed this. We are almost completed this narcotic drugs. Probably you'll be knowing the cocktail and all. Cocktail means that they will mix that drug and this drug. Mean, for example, heroin and cocaine. Like this and all, they mix the cocktail kind of a thing, and they will drink it this, or they will take it, or injection, or in the case of the snorting, we call it up through the nose. This is a cocktail kind of a thing. Okay, so this is again gives more and more kick, right? No, obviously cocaine itself is see, cocaine is what I said, he will dance, right? Then heroin means he will act. Superb, Bharatanatyam. So that you can able to understand this, that they will gonna mix, and then that can be okay. This is called as speedball. Okay, this is called as speedball. Okay, this they'll rotate like that. Okay, fine. So these are the thing, but another last the kind of a thing that we need to understand, that's called tobacco. Next you write tobacco. Already I said that, students, that these drugs, whatever the drugs table or the topic that what we are dealing, 100% there will be a question for the NEET. Okay. Suppose students, since from yesterday that we are studying this particular drugs chapter, you will be writing your the NEET examination next year. So we don't know, we cannot predict the particular month next year, but next year is confirmed, correct? So next year you are going to write the NEET examination. Okay. So suppose I guess that maybe next year, maybe in the month of August, just guessing, okay, that there will be what NEET examination. Okay. This topic, that is a drugs chapter, today you have understood